the Strat, man, you can just crash out because it's so. It leaves you so much space. To me, for me.
Mexican they sound a little fatter. This one sounds a little thicker, so I think it's going to do it shortly.
On my breast, I have 12, 11. It's a cheap
You like Terry Montana, you know him?
Yeah, Ashboro?
Yeah. Anything he plays, when he plays sixth string, anything he plays through a plate, he knew how to do it.
That record sounds exactly like a break to me. And like you say, it's about really setting up right. It's got, like I said, it's got 11s on it. My acoustic, I play 12s. Every other acoustic guitar, every electric guitar else, I play 10s.
The red one I had, it had 9s on it at first, and it just sounded better than this. And I put 10s on it, it made a world of difference.
Man, likewise. Thank you.
Turn around. So it's key of A. The only thing weird is going down to the G and then to the D and go back to the A.
I gotta see my way around. Get my eyes teardrops. I got to see my way around. Get out my eyes, heartache. Nothing but heartache by the pound. Telecaster. Keep on keeping on. Get out of my way, woman. Get out my way, woman. I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Get off my ladder, woman. I gotta get up to the top. Get off the ladder, woman. I gotta get up to the top. Get off my ladder, woman. Ain't nothing gonna make me stop. Get out my life, woman. You don't love me no more. Get out my life, woman. You don't love me no more. Get out my life, woman. You don't love me no more. Turn it around twice. Get out my life, woman. You don't love me no more. Get out my life, woman. You don't love me no more. What a band, what a band, what a band. What a band, what a band, what a band. E.
E, as an Elvis.
Yep.
Last night about half past two.
You got little stops. You got little stops at the beginning and then straight through.
Get it?
Little stops at the beginning and then straight through. Swing blues and E.
Yeah.
You got, don't stop, keep on.
What about the stops at the
No,
beginning?
that's fine, that's fine. That's all right there. That's correct. That's fine, what you did was right. Don't stop. You had last night about it. All right. This is Ready? Come in, come in.
It starts with the vocal.
Remember, give me last night about half past 10. Your mom wouldn't let me in. I said, key?
It's that one that goes E, C sharp minor, A and B.
What's the first chord? What's the first chord? First, okay.
Never mind, okay, let's do blues and G.
Yeah, I got it.
There's not a weird turnaround.
I got it.
On the turnaround, we're going to go 1, 6, 2, 5. That would be G, E, A. That's a turnaround. They're nice. Hang on 1 second.
So we've got a missing phone. Sean's phone is gone, and somebody's phone was laying on the table. It's got a picture of a cute girl on the front in a black t-shirt. Could anybody by chance picked up the wrong phone thinking it's theirs? Very funny. Anyway, it's over here at this table.
Check your phones.
Check.
And so we'll play through one step. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Rick, let's do one of yours. I've lost my mind. Oh, no, actually, let's do Good Times Roll. We lose an A. Okay. Stops at the beginning and after that continues. You or me? Is that you or me? This one? Is it this one?
Check.
I think it's feeding back right there, but I don't know why. Yeah, it's feeding right there. I don't know which. I should be able to do it with the microphone out of the way, right?
Check.
Take this mic
Check.
out. Take this around.
Check.
Take this out.
Two songs for him, two for him.
Hey, everybody, let's have some fun. You only live once, and when you're dead, you're done. So let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. I don't care if you're young or old. Let the good times Rick. Talking trash, you wanna have some fun, you gotta spend some cash. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. I don't care if you're on the road, let the good times roll. 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 I don't care if you're on the road. Let the good times. Let the good times roll. 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 I don't care if you're on the road. Let the good times roll.